Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a cremation service and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your business, you're certainly in the right spot today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-sites platform to do exactly that, build a simple website for your cremation service. If you haven't heard of multi-sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update websites. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available. So click on that link below this video. Once you've joined the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. Now we have hundreds of various markets to choose from for various small businesses, and we are adding more markets every single week. So let's go ahead and search for our market, cremation service, and go ahead and put in a few basic details over here. I'm going to pop in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue. Let multi-sites work its magic and create a simple website for my cremation service business. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. However, perhaps you want to make one or two amendments to this content that was pre-written for you. Maybe put some of your own personal photos over here, make it a little bit more personalized, upload some of your own photos. Maybe you don't quite offer all these services and you want to change it. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you, how to make some slight amendments to your multi-site website that it's just generated. You don't need to know any coding or be a web professional of any sorts, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible on my website, so I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. Our address, our physical location. Let's go ahead and put that in over here in this section. The great thing about that address, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on the address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Under update, social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your multi-sites website. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section so you can upload it. Go ahead and upload it. If you don't have a logo yet, I recommend you check out canva.com or hatchful.com. I personally tried both myself, and they're both great options if you want a free logo for your small business. If you want to make slight amendments to that logo, click on that pencil directly over it. You can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, click on save on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now with multi-sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to amend them to go with your branding a little bit better, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. No color coding needed at all. Just go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Now for each section you'd like to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images, or you can search through that photo library. There's hundreds of images to choose from. Play around with those keywords and just see what photos pop up. Otherwise, you now have the option to also connect to your Instagram accounts. If you have one, with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those Instagram photos. Under update action is where you can amend those buttons, the text on the buttons if you wish, and where the buttons linked, you can even upload a PDF file with more details about your business, like a brochure or catalog of the various services and rates that you offer. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. This is where your customers can easily reach out to you, put in their details, click on send. You will get notified by your registered email address you have a new lead. Also keep track of all those leads in your Marty dashboard. If you'd like to connect your custom domain, go ahead and click on that yellow button at the bottom, connect your domain. If you don't have a domain, you also have the option to purchase one by clicking on that button. Make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your cremation service on the Marty Sites platform, and really wishing you and your business Marty success.